That WCP file is a WinCan sewer inspection project, containing video and assessment data from underground pipe surveys. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these infrastructure inspection files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for WCP files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. WCP files are sewer inspection project files, created by WinCan, containing pipe survey video footage, defect observations, measurement data, and condition assessment reports. They store the complete inspection record for underground drainage and sewer infrastructure evaluation. WinCan WCP project files use a database-backed structure storing video file references, inspection observation codes, measurement data, GPS coordinates, pipe segment identifiers, and defect classification records following NASSCO PACP or EN 3508 coding standards. The WCP format operates under the official standard set by WinCan from CD Lab AG. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows presents only minimal context, so full interpretation relies on compatible tools. Start by right-clicking the WCP file and selecting Open With. Test WinCan first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some WCP files are very particular about the opener. If your WCP file will not open yet, do not panic. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in WinCan. Launch WinCan VX or WinCan Web and open the WCP project file. The application displays the inspection video alongside coded observations, pipe diagrams, and defect photographs. Navigate between pipe segments and observations using the project tree and timeline controls. Next, reviewing inspection data. Use WinCan's reporting tools to generate condition assessment reports from the WCP project data. Filter observations by defect type severity or pipe segment to focus analysis. Export defect photographs and video clips for documentation and repair planning purposes. Finally, exporting reports. Generate PDF or Excel reports from the WCP project using WinCan's built-in report generator. Export GIS-compatible data in shapefile or GeoJSON format for mapping pipe conditions in ArcGIS or QGIS. Export video clips of specific defects for sharing with repair contractors and stakeholders. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.